Hi friends, here is a little review video. I am going to demonstrate one pressure gauge in front of you. This one is our pressure gauge. You can see here it is written digital pressure gauge. So this device is used to measure pressure, and this is digital, of course. Its readout display is digital. In older days, as you saw, there was a pointer on a scale which was pointing some pressure, some indication, and there was a burden tube inside. So that was the case in older days. The instruments were used like those, but nowadays, as you know, nowadays is electronics, so that's why these pressure gauges are digital. These are very commonly used in industry. This pressure gauge is a very useful thing. I mean to say, you can use everywhere in your machines, in your installations, or in any where you want to take pressure or you want to measure some pressures, you can use. So this device, this is up to here, up to here this pressure gauge is, and this one, this is the fitting which has been installed with this pressure gauge, because this one was needed in our system. So that's why we made a fitting like this. Here is a wall. You can see this is shut off wall, simple shut off, on and off wall, and here is a fitting. This is suitable for our system, and here is half-inch thread fitting they have given with this gauge, which was not suitable for us. So that's why we created this fitting with this one. And also this is a safety, because if we will use it over here, so this can ruin inside, because here is a notice they have put, do not rotate. So there is a sensor inside which can be broken very easily. So that's why we created this fitting, and with this fitting, this is our safety, so this instrument will not be ruined. It's an expensive instrument, that's why we are making effort with this one. So here is some specifications I have given to you. Let us see. Digital pressure gauge, model YB100A, range 0 to 1500 psi, and thread size is half BSP. So this is given, this label is given on this pressure gauge. And then of course you can see here are 4 buttons. One is here, 3 buttons are here. These buttons are for the control of the instrument. I'm just going to demonstrate each and every button in front of you. Here is the on off switch, you can see. So the instrument is now off. So if we will switch this on, I will press for a little time, so the display will come like this, and this is reading now 0 psi and 25 degrees Celsius temperature, because pressure is varying with the temperature. As you know, pressure is the variant of temperature, so that's why the temperature is coming also over here. It is showing, this instrument is showing the ambient temperature, and 0 psi is of course the pressure, which is we did not connect it, so that's why it is showing 0 psi. And here is, you can see, one graph is coming. So graph is not coming at the moment because this is 0%, so 0% is showing, and this here is the percentage mark, you can see. These other controls which I will say, here is a light. If we will press it, so blue backlight is coming. So if press again, so blue backlight is switched off. So this blue background light is for readout, because if you installed this pressure gauge in some dark area, so you need a backlight. So that's why this backlight has been provided. Now you can see this set button. So with the set button, we can change the units of this instrument. Let us see how we are changing. So we will press sequentially this set button many times, so different parameters, different units will come in front of you. Now is PSI, so if we press kgf, centimeter square has been come. Now again mH2O, again kPa, kilopascal, and again megapascal, MPa, then again pascal, and now millimeter H2O is coming in front of you. So these are, and if again I will press, so bar has been come, and again is PSI. Next is this kgf, centimeter square, again is coming. So this reset button is for the resetting of the scale. So if we will press it for the little time, so 1500 psi, you can see this is the maximum display which is coming on in front of you. So if again I will press, so again this will come to the previous reading, which is 0, of course. Now it is ready for the testing. So this unit is, and now this pressure gauge is used everywhere. You can use it for air pressure, you can use it for hydraulic, you can use it for oil, or any pressure you can measure with the help of this instrument. Now I'm going to show you inside, what is inside of this pressure gauge, because you can see a battery sign over here. So this is showing that how much battery you have in your system. So if I will open it from here, you can see there are 2 batteries inside, and here is some electronics. This is for the display and for the measurement, and here is inside these 4 wires are coming. These 4 wires, what they are showing is these wires are coming from the pressure switch. The pressure sensor is located over here inside, so that's why these wires are coming. So what we will do is we have to take care with these wires. We will not pull wires too much, because if we will pull it too much, so then we can break them, and which is not the favorable case. So this way we will tilt it a little bit and we'll fix it and thread it, something like this. So now this unit is ready to make measurements. So hope you learned something from this video. If you learned something from this video, give a big thumbs up, press on bell icon, press on subscribe, press on bell icon, press on all, so you will get notifications on each upload. Thank you for watching.